Hi guys, I'm showing you this meal preparation container. So this is a one compartment 50 pack extra thick food storage containers with lids. So this is also called plastic bento bags and they are reusable BPA free lunch boxes, disposable, stackable, microwave, dishwasher, freezer safe. So these are the 28 ounce sizes and this come in two different bags. Like one is for the container, so you can see it's little thick and easily carry things. So this is the compartment one and this is the microwave safe, and this is the plastic covering lid that comes on it. So this is also microwave safe and you can put it on this. So the good thing is the clicking thing. So at the corner you will say like it will click properly and lock, so there will be no falling or nothing from or leaking from it. So this is a leak free design and it have everything inside this box. So you can use this box like to say give any food or store any food, and this will lock, so there will be leak proof, nothing inside goes. And then you can see like opening it, so there are the corner locks that need to open and then this will open. So nice design, nice locking design, leak proof design. And then there are multiple containers, so there are 50 containers like that in this pack. So this is the food storage and it really get the good amount of food in it and you can store it properly. I washed it and washing is really easy with the water and soap. And then dishwasher also, it's safe to use. And then the locking sound is like you see that it locked properly. And I also microwave this container and no issues were found while microwaving it. And then I also stored in the refrigerator. See, in the refrigerator also I stored it for some time and then there is no issue with the froze and the frozen thing. So this is a very nice container and very useful.